I remember when I was a child, I love books. I love them so much that I always lost track of time every time I read books. And growing up, during my time, because I'm a Gen Xer, wala pa masyadong gadgets, wala masyadong apps sa TV. So, marami talaga akong oras magbasa ng books. I remember nun sa library, parati ako manghihiram ng books and we are only allowed to borrow at least 3 books at a time. At kailangan isoli namin yung books ng at least for 3 days or sobrang nakaka-enjoy kasi para bang magka-tandem kami nung writer at saka ako sa pagbuo ng character sa isip ko ng mga libro. Pero ako, one of the greatest book that I've read in my life is of course, the Bible. Dati hindi ko maintindihan bakit kailangan magbasa ng Bible pero ngayon, naintindihan ko na itong mga nababasa ko sa Bible, it was written 2,000 years ago, but still, it applies to my life right now. The struggles, napaka-rich ng story sa Bible at yun nga, pati mga characters, very interesting yung mga characters. And one thing I really love about the book, the Bible, is how the Bible shows me how truly God is faithful and a loving God. Kahit paulit-ulit na yung mali, yung pinipili ko, katulad ng mga characters sa Bible, walang nagbabago sa pagmamahal niya, walang nadadagdag sa pagmamahal niya, wala rin nababawa sa pagmamahal niya. So as much as I can, I read the Bible, not just read, but reflect on the Word, and also the best that I can, kung ano yung kaya ko, at the moment na ma-apply talaga sa buhay ko, I really do my best to apply it in my life. And of course, share the Bible to others. Kaya ikaw, kachika, if you haven't read the Bible yet, try it. I know and I guarantee you it will change your life.